Shipping container homes can be built in situ or offsite, then transported and craned onto the foundation. In this video, we feature HO4 Plus Container Home, the first Honomobo permitted in Ontario, installed on Weber Island by McLean Contracting. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This stunning HO4 container home is the first Honomobo permitted in Ontario and was installed on Weber Island by McLean Contracting. The containers were fabricated off-site and each module transported across the island for installation. The containers were meticulously craned onto the concrete pier foundation, then welded together, ready for all the finishes. The project was completed in a record 6 months from permits to occupancy, and the total construction time on site was done in less than 1 month. The HO4 Plus model is a truly spacious and efficient single-story home made from 4 40-foot shipping containers stitched together to create 1,224 square feet of a beautiful living space. The HO4 Plus model has 2 floor plans, either a 2 or a 3-bedroom with ensuite. A side entrance of the kitchen space swings open into a cozy open-plan living space with a lounge area, a dining, and a fully furnished kitchen. The house interior is bright and modern, with clean lines throughout, embellished with selected furniture pieces, wall hangings, and accessories. The lounge space is big enough to accommodate 2 sofa seats, 2 easy chairs, a custom coffee table, and a floor mat to define the lounge space. Next to the lounge is an intimate dining area, nicely furnished with a butcher block dining table that can seat up to 6 people, ideal for a big family. The kitchen is fully furnished, complete with glossy white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, an electric cook plate, and quartz countertops. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal slit window, which lights up the sink space with a beautiful framed-out view of the outdoors. The kitchen island with sleek marble countertops forms the focal point of the kitchen space. The island can be used as a working counter or a breakfast table that can comfortably seat 3. From inside, there is no feeling of confinement, synonymous with shipping container spaces. The color palette for the house interior is bright and white, including the cabinetry in the kitchen and the wardrobes. The most outstanding feature of the HO4 Plus is the large glass wall on the front facade that floods the living space with natural light, creating an illusion of a well-lit open space with unrestricted views of the outdoors. To complement the daylighting, the house is fitted with recessed energy-efficient LED lights. The house floor is finished with hardwood vinyl flooring, which gives the house interior a sleek, modern look. The ceiling and the inner lining of the recess on the front facade are covered in timber paneling, which creates a nice warmth to the white interior space. A passage of the kitchen leads into the bedrooms, the bathrooms, and a laundry space. A pocket door of the kitchen leads into a big, lavish bathroom, a nice modern space fitted with a bathtub shower, a toilet, and a modern wash-hand basin with storage cabinets. From the bathroom, a pocket door opens into a sizable laundry space with a stacked washer and dryer. The bedroom spaces are sizable and spacious, enough to accommodate a double bed and wardrobe storage. Even though the bedrooms are not big, they feel welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors, the white painted walls, and the big glass windows which fills the bed space awash with natural light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness. Just like the kitchen space, all the cabinetry and the wardrobes are given a glossy white finish. All Honomobo homes come standard with high efficient air source heat pump for heating and cooling. From outside, the grooves of the shipping containers are visible on the rear and the side elevations, giving this modern home an industrial aesthetic. The containers are painted black to help the house recede into the highly forested background. The front facade is fitted with 29 feet of a floor-to-ceiling glass wall, which offers amazing and unrestricted views of the lake and the forested site. The house sits on top of a big natural rock, cascading gently onto a floating platform, a great outdoor space on water to enjoy the cool breezes and the clapping waves on a nice warm evening. We love the amazing interior and the high quality workmanship on this shipping container project. All the photo credits goes to Honomobo and McLean Contracting. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.